All right.
The next station is Kennedy Station.
All right, at the next station, this train is going to be decommissioned.
You sound like you're happy about it.
No, just want to say, it's not let you know it's going to be decommissioned.
Yes, they do it to the wrong person. The wrong person takes advantage.
So it's January 27, 2012. We are inside the H4. This is the last day now. So we're approaching Kennedy Station, and this train is going to be decommissioned at the next stop actually, and will be put out of service for good. Just to note that. So we are making to the end of the era of the H4s. This is the end of the H4s. End of the H4s era. So it's been 35 years in service, and this is the end of the era from here. We say goodbye to the H4s officially from here. Yep. And an era, bye-bye H4s, after 35 years, it is out of service. And it's been a great pleasure of being in the H4 cars. It's been, yep, of course, they will be retired from here. Yeah, so we left Warden and we're heading to Kennedy. This is where we all ends. This journey is ending here. There's only one round trip. This is the end of the H4s. Last ever ride here. Of course. And so this is just the first video. This is Alex Rampal signing off.